Thermal cameras used to cost thousands, not anymore. Today we're counting down the top 5 thermal cameras under $150. Picks that can catch hidden leaks, hot wires, and cold spots before they become real problems. All of these are available on AliExpress, and the links are right down in the description if you want to grab one for yourself. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss our next top 5 picks. Let's get into it.
Product number 5.
Starting off at number 5, the No-Hawk plug-and-play thermal camera. This little device turns your phone into a full thermal scanner in seconds. Just plug it into your USB-C port and you're ready to go. No separate app setup or long calibration process needed. With a 256 by 192 thermal resolution, it's sharp enough to spot hidden heat loss around windows and doors, catch overloaded circuits before they become a fire risk, and even check your car's engine for hot spots before a road trip. It works with both iPhone 15 and newer, plus most Android phones, so almost anyone can use it right out of the box without buying extra adapters. No separate screen, no bulky housing, no charging required since it draws power directly from your phone. It's the most compact and travel-friendly option on this entire list. If you want your first thermal camera without carrying extra gear or spending a fortune, this is a smart, simple place to start.
Product number 4.
Number 4 is this USB-C thermal camera with a 320 by 240 super resolution display over a 160 by 120 IR sensor. What stands out is its huge temperature range, from -4 all the way up to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, which is honestly wider than most cameras in this price range even go. That means it can handle everything from checking a cold freezer seal in your kitchen to inspecting a hot exhaust pipe or engine bay without missing a beat. It plugs straight into your iOS or Android device over USB-C, so there's no separate battery to charge or bulky unit to carry around, just your phone and this small attachment. That combination of a wide temperature range and true plug-and-play simplicity makes it a solid all-rounder. Whether you're a homeowner checking for insulation leaks or a hobbyist tinkering with electronics and engines, compact, versatile, and priced at just $121.29, it's an easy camera to recommend if you want flexibility over specialization.
Product number 3.
Taking the third spot is the P1 thermal camera, built specifically with HVAC pros in mind. It uses X superscript 3 IR processing to deliver a sharp 320 by 240 image, with a refresh rate of 25 Hz for smooth, real-time scanning, no lag when you're moving across a wall or duct. It can measure temperatures up to 600 degrees Celsius, making it capable of handling serious inspection jobs, not just casual home checks. All this for $128.14.
Product number 2.
Coming in at number 2, we've got a serious step up, the UNI-T professional handheld thermal camera. Available in the UTI 120S, UTI 160S, UTI 260A, and UTI 260B versions. Unlike the phone attachment cameras earlier on this list, this is a fully standalone thermal imager with its own screen, so you don't need to plug anything into your phone at all. That makes it a lot more convenient for longer inspection jobs where you don't want to worry about battery drain or a cable getting in the way. UNI-T has built a strong reputation in the professional tool space, and this handheld model is designed for exactly the kind of work contractors and technicians deal with every day, scanning walls for moisture damage, checking electrical panels for overheating components, and inspecting insulation in attics and crawl spaces. Because it's a dedicated device, the ergonomics are better too. It's built to be held and aimed like a normal camera, not balanced on top of a phone, which makes a real difference during a long inspection where you're scanning dozens of points in a single job. Another thing worth mentioning is that having multiple model variants, the UTI 120S, 160S, 260A, and 260B, means there's some flexibility depending on your budget and how much resolution or feature set you actually need, rather than being locked into a single fixed spec. For anyone who's outgrown the phone attachment cameras and wants something that feels more like a real tool than an accessory, this is the natural option. Audits or just wanting a more capable tool around the house, the standalone design alone might make it worth the extra cost over the phone attachment options we covered earlier.
Product number 1.
And taking the number 1 spot, the Sunshin TB03S Infrared Rapid Thermal Camera. What earns it the top pick is how well-rounded it is, high-definition thermal imaging paired with multi-platform support. So it isn't locked into just one type of phone or device. The Rapid in its name isn't just marketing either. It's built to scan and refresh quickly, which matters when you're checking multiple spots in a room and don't want to stand around waiting for the image to catch up. That speed makes it especially useful if you're doing a full walkthrough of a house or job site, since you can move from room to room without losing time between readings. It also holds up well compared to the other 4 picks on this list: sharper image quality, broader device compatibility, and a build that feels a step above the entry-level options. At $149.99, it's right at our price ceiling, but it earns that spot by combining image quality, speed, and flexibility in a way none of the other 4 fully match. If you only buy one thermal camera from this list, this is the one we'd recommend. That's our top 5 thermal cameras under $150. Which one matches what you need? Let us know in the comments and check the description for more picks like these. Thanks for watching.